Hello Kia Picanto owners. If you're watching this video, then you might have the same problem as I have with your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And I might have a simple fix for you, and that is if you go to settings, you go to general, they will see your version info, tap a couple of times, hit down under. Well, okay. What you're gonna do is tap 2400, then go to variant coding 1200. Here you go to CPU variant, standard it is on config 0. I chose CPU config 4, click on apply, and now when you plug your USB cable, it's going to read your USB device, and now Apple CarPlay works wired. Standard, this car comes with wireless CarPlay audio, but now if you're using this trick, you can use your USB for Apple CarPlay.